Well, I'm not really happy with this handle on my mini lathe, and there's another handle just like it right here, where this nut basically hits my finger every time I go around, and if I turn this way, pushing the cross slide in, he comes unscrewed. So let's see if we can make this a little better, make some improvement. So I'm going to replace these flat-headed hex screws that hold that handle on with these M6 by 1 1mm by 8mm machine screws. So this has a more rounded head and kind of a lower profile. So you see it's not flat, it's not super flat, but at least it's not sticking up at the corners like that. So it should be a real easy fix. I'll just put this in. Alright, so let's take these new bolts here, screw them in. And voila! Now that doesn't hit my finger as bad, so that's good. But now we need to work on this. I've got a couple of M5 by 50 bolts here, and these fit right in there. But they won't be too good to hold on to, so I'm gonna machine out of aluminum, like a little sleeve that'll go over that. So I finished this handle, and it came out pretty good. It was kind of a learning experience, but I still have this handle to do, so we're going to go ahead and go through the same process. So first thing we're going to do is going to got this tool here in the tool post, and we lock him down, and we're going to face this piece of aluminum. Got a piece of aluminum chucked up here. Face him, and then clean him up, turn him this way so he's nice and round. Just gotta go a little bit further. Okay. Okay, I center drilled it. So I'm going to go ahead and drill this guy out. Okay. Alright, so it's gonna fit good. It's about there, so cool. Alright, I got my caliper set and I've opened it up to the right width and just turn them on after putting a Sharpie. Made a little scratch line, so that's where I'm going to cut them off. But first I'm going to do a little bit of knurling. Use my knurling tool here. And so lock them down, go back over here, and start. I'll probably knurl pretty much in the center. Alright. There we go. It's kind of a something to grab onto. All right, got my cutoff tool in, locked in. So now we're going to go ahead and cut them off. All right, I got a little bit of put a little silicone lube in there just to keep them hopefully from the galvanic issue of having steel and aluminum together. I'll put it in here. Maybe that'll protect it for a while. Let me just tighten them in a little bit. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, there's my upgraded handles for my lathe. And I think they came out all right. I did put some lubricant on the inside, just maybe to try to keep it from this aluminum from corroding against that steel. And also got this little button screw here that just makes it so much easier to turn with without whacking that against my finger every time I go around. So yes, it's kind of rough looking. Yes, you can buy them for about $5 from a little machine shop that are made out of steel and look a lot better and that are tapered. But hey, I made it myself. This was my first try at doing something on the metal lathe, and I'm feeling just a little bit more confident. It took me a long time to get really confident with the wood lathe, and I think it's just going to be a lot of practice and learning. It's a learning experience. But hey, I'll be using this more really for wood, for making wood rings, and that's what I do. I make wood rings from heritage and legacy woods, like the deck of a battleship, the stock of M1 Garands, Major League Baseball bats. I do all custom work. Check out hillcountryrings.com if you'd like to see more of my work or videos here. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that would be great. That would really help the channel. And hey, until next time, see you later, and love to make a ring for you. Thanks, everybody.